In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear the cache and cookies in Safari. The process is super straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. Once you have loaded up Safari, you want to go to the top left-hand corner where it says Safari here next to the Apple logo. If you click on Safari, you want to go to the option that says Preferences. So left click on Preferences, and then you want to make your way to the Privacy tab, which is right there. I'm already on it. And then you can see here it says Manage Website Data. If I click on that, this is going to load up all your website data. So you can see for Discord, Facebook, and fonts, I have some cache here. I have cache and cookies on this one. You can select the one that you want to clear and then click on Remove like that. Or you could simply just click on Remove All, and that'll get rid of all your cookies and your cache for your Safari. So if I click on Remove All, then it's going to say, are you sure? Just say remove now. And just like that, I've cleared the cache and the cookies on my Safari browser. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.